and welcome back to Say What Reacts. We are back at it again with Nicole, and I'm really excited to share this video. It is, you know which one it is. It's the one with all the hip action. It's the live version of them performing White Noise, Thunder, Playboy, and Artificial Love. And I'm not even sure if you've heard any of these songs, because I know you have some albums, but I don't know which ones you have. So, but
I can show you my playlist.
I love all of these songs. Like, legit, they're on. I have like an EXO playlist, and I have an EXO Light playlist. So it's like all like the chill songs. Every single one of these is on here. Yeah, I love all of them. So
dedicated fan.
I love it. But yeah, so I'm super excited for you to see this, because they are, let me tell you, they know where every camera is, and they are going to be looking at you in every camera.
Working.
Yes, they do. They really do. So, okay, let's do this. Don't get too excited now.
I know, girl. I need a fan.
I know, we're right underneath the air vent, so that should hopefully help some. All right, you ready? Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Ooh, bacon.
Oh my god, I'm looking so much better.
Lay's looking good in this one too. Oh, there's your boy.
Hey, kitty. Hey, babe. Hey. Ow. It's nice to see Dio smiling, because his,
So
you know how they had, you would say, like, what is it, resting bee face? You know
I
what
think he
mean?
just has like resting serious face. Not
That's what I was
necessarily
gonna
bitch
say.
face.
No, I was gonna say.
Sehun has bitch face. Sehun's always looking like he's sassy judging you.
But he look right all the time. But Dio just looks so serious all the time. So when he's smiling, it's like, okay,
It's nice. Yeah.
he's got a great smile. Hey, Park Chae-young.
Oh, there's Kai.
Ow. Kai is stealing souls out here.
Yeah, it's ridiculous.
I'm sure he is. Oh my god.
I have I'll put a link in the description of a video of all of these performances, but just Kai focused. So if you're into that, you just want him, I'll have the link in the description. You'll love it.
Girl, subscribe.
I know, subscribe. I'll be doing more stuff too. I had to edit just Kai. Chloe's favorite was Kai, so I was like, Chloe, this one's for you.
Oh my god, I'm
Look
jealous.
at this. Ready?
Hey, kitty.
It's legit raining on the stage. Like, what?
Oh my god.
Oh. Aren't you ready, baby? Or whatever, like you just said.
Girl, my jaw just went open. Girl, they getting soaking wet in the middle of their concert?
Not yet. That's later.
Oh my holy god.
Right now they're staying inside the ring, and it's raining on the outside of the ring.
Okay, because somebody
But you know it's getting a little...
is having a heart attack in the audience. Like, straight up. Ow. Oh.
So good live.
His voice is like a piece of heaven. Like, he hits those high notes like nobody's business. Ow. And it's nice that they seem like they're close. Like,
Yes.
I'm sure they are for real, like brothers.
Oh, yeah, 100%.
And I know, like, you always see them, like, supporting each other. Like, I think the three of them had a little group or something recently.
CBX.
See, I'm trying to pay attention a little bit.
Chen Baekhoon and Schumann.
And then Park Chan-yeol, like, came, like, behind the scenes or something, because I follow him on his Instagram page. And he was bringing them, like, lunch or something. And I thought, that is so supportive.
Yeah, they're really supportive of each other's, like, off-time projects.
Yeah. I think that's nice.
Yeah.
Especially they've been together this long working together. Oh, wow. Look at that. He just killed that note.
Yeah, Chen is just insane with the vocals.
If they came to the United States,
Oh, 100.
me and these little girls would have to fight, because I'm gonna be right there with their sweat beads.
Let me tell you, I said
my
this in
face.
another video, and like, I mean, I want to see them live more than anything, but I feel like I would low-key be so freaking annoyed the entire concert, because I feel like everyone was screaming so loud that I wouldn't be able to hear them, and I'd be like, I'm not here to hear you scream, I'm here to see them. So can you
Girl.
shut up? Like,
Right.
I just want to hear and see them, please.
Okay.
Yeah.
Little
So,
girl,
yeah.
you need to move
Please take note.
real quick because this is a grown woman's area and I'm focused. Don't disrupt this. Hey, cuties. Ooh, I love you too. They're so cute.
You're always playing rock, paper, scissors.
Ooh. It's like they give them a sit down moment, you know, to catch your breath, kids.
Well, this
We love
song's
you.
Thunder, and Chen's in charge of like lightning. So that's like his song.
Hey, cutie. He actually is a really great actor. I believe that he's a meanie.
Which
And
one?
I'm telling you.
Oh, Chenyol?
Like, I'm literally when
On
this
EXO
is-
Next Door?
Like, I'm gonna show.
I
you
know.
on my
I was
phone,
like, I was
promise.
watching it, and I was just like, why is he being such a jerk? Like, but then you realize like why he's being that way.
Right.
It's like, oh, okay.
Right. They're too. I guess they're just so adorable. Love these jeans though. I'm not trying to be weird, but
Could they be any tighter?
girl. Oh my god. Hey cutie. I just want to go, hey cutie every
I know, like,
time.
hey, cutie, I just want pants.
Right. Just the cheeks, just real quick. Now you know you need to stop. Looking so cute. He was in a K-drama too.
Which one? Kyra?
Right?
Yeah.
Something about chocolate or something. And then when
Oh,
they have kissing
grabbing his
scenes,
junk at you?
oh girl. Right, sweat beads. Blonde is your color, Kai.
Yeah, he does.
Or
He looks
gray.
really good in blonde. Yeah.
Like lighter hair. I'm trying to tell you. Oh, now that's cool.
Yeah, dancing on the whole screen.
I mean, they have actual good music.
Ugh, I know, I love it.
You know?
It's so groovy and catchy and just like, yeah, I love it. Like the fact, I'm a huge lyric person. Like, I love hearing the lyrics, sing along with them. Like, I listen to a song twice and I know all the lyrics. Like, I don't know why my brain just works that way.
But do you
So like not knowing what they're saying drives me crazy. But I love the music. Look, he was eyeballing you.
Girl, he was. Girl. Hey.
There goes that smile also.
I mean, but do you try to learn the Korean too?
I will phonetically try to learn it, like to sing along with it, because
would
I
love to
hate
learn
not
it.
being able to sing along with it.
Right.
But do I know, like, if when I say this particular word, do I know what that means? No.
Yeah, me neither.
I know, I hate it.
It's okay though. I figure the more you
Baby
learn,
steps.
right? Because this makes you want to learn. Like, what are you saying to me,
I know.
Mister?
I
Love the
did
English
on my
words, though.
Duolingo app. I did the Korean one, and I started it. And I was like, oh my god, yeah, it is like insanely hard. I was
That
like,
seems
how do
like
I
a
like?
lot.
Because you know, how, like with other languages that use English letters,
Yeah.
you can at least relate things.
Yeah.
But these are symbols. It's like, how do I know that this symbol means this or is pronounced like this? How do I relate that in my mind?
My brain ain't working like that no more. I guess. Like,
Girl.
but I would love to.
Yeah, I know.
Ooh, yeah.
I know.
Hip action. Oh God, you got me back. I'm sorry.
Sorry, I was talking too much.
I know, right? And he's rapping. I love when he raps. Ooh, he be looking so hard, you know, like he's like Mr. Tough Guy. And they're not like allowed to date either, are they?
I mean, they have been linked to different people and relationships and stuff, but like every time it happens, it's almost like the fans ruin it for them because they give the other person so much hate that it like
These
makes
girls
it
are
really
like-
hard.
Right.
Look here, I just want Sehun and Baekhyun to be in a relationship because they are so stinking cute together.
I'm okay with
I'll
that.
have you react to that video too because I need your thoughts on that video.
Girls.
We'll be reacting to a Sehun and Baekhyun video. Ooh, I get
Gotta
it.
fan myself
Ooh,
up.
ooh,
Oh my
ooh,
God,
okay.
Jesus, he just grabbed his stuff.
He did.
Boy, there are little children present. Oh my God. Ooh.
It should be like EXO
Baby.
18 plus show.
Right. Ooh, I see you, grown man.
This is the best, but I love this song. Artificial Love, I don't know if you've heard it.
I'm about to hear it right now.
Can't wait to see what they do with the cane.
Girl, I can only imagine. Hey. Oh, hi.
Oh. The boy's giving you shoulders.
They be definitely giving sex appeal. I want them to know you've got a grown lady here. Just heart beating for you. I know, I see you. Y'all know y'all need to stop. Oh, God. Oh, girl. God bless this vent right now.
I need to like make a little fan. Oh, I have a fan. I'll bust one out.
Girl, it's
no,
fine.
we got it from
I think
from China in Epcot.
Okay. Oh my God, girl, I had a heart attack. Again, would I pass out in a real concert? That's what I just need to know. And obviously the stage is up a little bit. I just need to catch one of them. And they're like, who is this grown old lady here? Move out the way. I want to see these others. Hey. This is the kind of thing I would probably spend the money to get like backstage passes. So I
couldn't even imagine the cost.
I'm sure it wouldn't be any more than I probably spent on a really good concert I wanted to go to.
Okay, you gotta watch Lay in the left side. Just wait till you see Lay on the left side of the screen. Watch. Right here. With the hand. What are you doing?
Are you straighten out your tail on stage? Oh my God!
I was like, dang, he took it further than Kai did. I was like, okay.
Honey, we have to mean this literal, honey. You know, we said get into it, but we ain't say try to kill it on stage. Ooh, stop. Girl, that's like, now you want to get closer to the screen.
You're like, what am I missing? Oh.
Right. Hey, turn it up. They like grabbing their stuff too much. I don't know.
You love it.
I do. Ooh, stop. Okay, look, a Chippendales kind of concert.
Yeah, it's like Magic Mike happening.
Right. If they bust their shirts over, I'm done. Please.
Oh, I'm definitely gonna have to show her a couple other videos, huh, guys?
Oh my! Do not have me die here today. Don't do it.
I might have to make you watch Try Not to Fangirl challenges.
Oh my God!
You're gonna fail.
I would totally fail. And because I'm telling you, they teach these young performers where to touch themselves. Like be as well with your body or something. Because these kids are, honey. Oh no, he ain't blindfolded himself. Why? What are we doing?
If you hear pitter patter, that's my dog.
Too cute. Okay, I don't know what we're doing. Everybody's blindfolded. That's some cute stuff.
Got some 50 Shades happening.
Girl. You're cute too, girl. Hey.
Hey. So yeah, you liked it?
Oh my gosh.
I know, I'm like, is it the lights?
A girl.
Or is it just warm in here?
It else. Called these fine little tasty treats.
Yeah, it's a good one.
Oh my god, that actually was a really great live performance. Again, maybe like even watching it, I would go to a concert. I'd be like, girl, you have to do backstage passes. Now if they're talking like you need your kidneys, your ovaries to be able to go to this concert.
Take them. Just leave me one kidney. I'm good.
That's it. Technically, you only need one. So we're good. I can meet all of them, though, right? You got an interpreter there. Somebody knows. Yeah. We're gonna make this conversation happen.
I'll Google Translate on my phone.
Girl, I was thinking about getting one of those things though.
Oh,
where you don't have
the
Korean
immediate What?
And the one that I saw on Instagram, they don't have. But I would love that. When I tell you,
I wonder if they gotta Amazon that.
I'm sure they have one that speaks it, but
sure.
I would use it to go here because I'd be like saying all the like racy kind of cute stuff I want to say, and then like,
translate
just put
it
up, translate
just to like see the reaction
to these boys. And see their eyes get like big, like security.
I feel like I'm not sure what this girl's supposed to do to us. I need your help.
I don't even think they say girl. That's too nice. You'd be like,
yeah,
this grown woman.
Yes,
like, these are young people. But I love. It looks great. I love the lighting, the
production value is just the rain on the stage. I mean,
girl, now that's cute.
What?
How they were like dancing around, kind of like some tribal kind of thing. As like the little EXO something.
But yeah, that's their EXO. Yeah, the hexagon.
I thought that was just like if that's a concert,
and that's only a small portion of the concert. I heard their concerts are close to 3 hours long.
God,
I know. So that's just a very small portion of like a concert that you would experience
after one of their concerts.
I'll show you that video later. But like that's another video where like you see like how much they put into everything, and like at one point you see them almost fainting on stage and stuff like that. And I'm like, oh god, that makes me sad. I don't want to see that
because I don't want them to like overwork. I mean, I get it. You want to give the best performance,
and they're contracted to like do so. Like I mean, they're on a schedule. Like, I heard that they just literally finished the last part of their tour like a couple weeks ago.
But they're always on tour, though.
Well, they have probably like a month off, maybe. They might have like a month off. But their comeback is slated for the end of 2018.
Do you think they make great money then for all? I mean, the lifestyle I'm sure is great.
Okay, did you see how many people were in that audience? That was one location.
But isn't there a group? I mean, obviously there are people that own this group.
Well, of course, yeah.
And technicalities.
Yeah, but I've also seen like videos where it's like Suho's like car and house, and you're just like, okay, that's beautiful house. So that's a beautiful car.
Good. Okay.
Yeah, and they've been doing it for 6 years. Maybe not in the beginning.
So they know.
And now there's not 12 members they're divided. They're only dividing it between like 8 to 9 members now. So, yeah, you know.
So basically, who's gonna tough it out? Get all of this.
Well, I think it's great. Yeah. It's amazing. I just really want to be able to go to a show.
Me too.
They've only been to the U.S. once.
I think. They have.
Yeah, they went like 2016, I think, that they came.
They were here.
They were in New York, so.
And I about had a heart attack.
Maybe they'll come in 2018. Or no, 2019.
I
probably
can't
2019.
sell my kidney that fast.
Black market.
Oh my god.
All right, guys, we're just rambling now. We're going to end this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave us a comment below if there's something else you want us to watch, or if you enjoyed it. Let us know what you think. Please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye.